All right, we're here, Florida Panthers against Seattle Kraken. This is Yo. But we got the whole crew here. Tons of activations before the game starts. We got here nice and early to check it out. And this is our first time going to a hockey game as a family. So it's gonna be an awesome day. We got hockey here. You guys wanna play some hockey? Whoa, guys. Are you inside the Panther? Firstly, we gotta see Shaya's hat. Let's see that hat. Love that Panthers bucket hat. Hey! Brandon, Ez, you excited?
Look at the elevator!
Wow.
Should we take the elevator?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
One more. And we got the best seats in the house. Because we're the highest up. We're the highest. There's no one higher than us. Such great cheering, Mo. Great cheering.
Let's go Panthers!
Let's go Panthers. Yeah! We are out after second period, down 2-1. But you know what? 2 periods is better than no periods, right, Johnny? Great time at the game. Honestly, take advantage of the Thanksgiving, Black Friday deals. This was like an amazing opportunity to take the whole family without breaking the bank.
The next day.
All right, good morning, everyone. We're on the boat and we have some amazing guests. You guys want to say hi? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to find some manatees. Let me multitask. And so we're gonna look out, then we're gonna head over to Peanut Island to swim, to hang out on the beach, and some good stuff. And Shaya, you wanna say hi, right? Tell everyone how excited you are that you have your friend here. Say hi.
Hi.
You guys gonna have a great day?
Yeah.
We're gonna have an amazing day today. What are you guys digging? What are you guys digging? You're digging a hole? What about you guys? What are you guys digging? You guys making a pool?
Having a contest.
And how are you guys doing on Peanut Island?
We're loving it.
Chilling. We finally got some sunshine. Beautiful day in December. Hanukkah starts tonight. We're just on the beautiful beach here. Behind me at Peanut Island. Look at that place. Nice. A little windy, but I can't complain. It's all good. All right, from the sea to Hanukkah party. Anytime Chabad is throwing a Hanukkah party, you know it's going to be amazing, at least for kids. Orly decided she doesn't want to walk anymore, right, Moo? So you want me to carry you the entire time? When there's thousands of people around and I'm going to carry you the whole time? That sounds fun, right?
Down, he puts on some video.
Right, exactly.
Put a TV.
Whoa, that's a real ambulance, guys. Yo! Yo, wow, how does it feel to hold the chicken? For the record, I feel this is bad. This is kind of animal cruelty. Okay, put it down now. Put it down. Because we don't want to hurt the chickens, okay? Put it down. Beautiful. What a beautiful pony.
Many unbearable hours later.
Hi, Mama. Don't touch us.
Where's mine?
So we're gonna leave it burning.
Beautiful. Of course we're gonna leave it burning.
Okay.
Hanukkah. Is that good? Was that great, guys? Are they yummy? What flavor? Jelly. Woo!
Do you want one?
No, I don't. I want you guys to eat it for me.
Susan was wishing for it.
Wow, you were wishing for it?
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.